Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Yes, I'm doing a video after such a long time, but the situation are such, and it's very challenging to stay motivated. But yeah, finally we are doing it, and thank you so much for joining in. Today we are going to talk about how to schedule a post in Instagram. So it's obvious that people stay busy, people stay busy working and people stay busy traveling and doing business. It's very difficult to keep your Instagram alive and updated. Sometimes you just have to post one picture a day, or I generally post three pictures a day because my insights are such, my followers are such. You can also check about your followers and about your viewers. According to that, you can schedule your post. I'll probably show you how to check your insights in a while. So this helps to know about the fact that at which time of the day your viewers are mostly active and they are ready to watch your post. So we just have to pick that time, and at that time we'll schedule the posts. तो चलिए मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ हाउ टू चेक योर इनसाइट्स इन योर इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट. First step on this, then you have to go to insights. Once you open this insights overview, you will get an idea about how many accounts you have reached and the content interaction and these kind of stuffs which most people know, but हम लोग जाके यहाँ पे चेक करने वाले हैं अबाउट योर ऑडियंस, राइट. जैसे कि आप लोग देख पा रहे हैं, लाइक माई audience are active mostly in 12 p.m., then 3 p.m., then 6 p.m., then 9 p.m. So according to this, I'll schedule my post so that most viewers are active when my post goes in their feed. So chaliye, I'll tell you about all the steps in this tool, and this tool is called the Facebook Creator Studio. Just like the YouTube Studio, we have a Facebook Creator Studio as well, जहाँ पे हम लोग each and everything check कर सकते हैं, schedule कर सकते हैं, post कर सकते हैं and what not. So let's go. So first you have to open your Chrome, and then you have to go to Facebook Creator Studio. Click on this tab, and उसके बाद you will get to see about everything about your Facebook and Instagram. So this video is particularly about Instagram, so we are going to select Instagram over here. So once you clicked your Instagram, then you can see about everything related to your content. This tab is about all the contents that I have posted, and categorically ऐसा सब है that you can see videos, photos, stories, IGTV, carousels, everything. Now what we have to do is, like, we have to create a post for our Instagram feed, or you can post as an IGTV video as well. So let's go ahead with Instagram feed right now. Then you can see this pop-up screen about the upload. यहाँ पे जाके add content मारने से then you can go ahead and select a picture that you want to upload. Suppose I want to upload this picture. Okay, so I have to open this picture. Then हम लोग कुछ भी एक captions लिख सकते हैं, and captions are really important. So you have to choose a very good captions and work on your hashtags as well. So now once you're done with all the captions and hashtags, and you can add locations as well. सो उसके बाद यू कैन गो टू एडवांस सेटिंग, जहाँ पे कि इफ़ यू आर कोलैबोरेटिंग विद एनी बिजनेस और एनी बिजनेस पार्टनर, देन यू कैन search for the business partner and take them as well. Since we are done with this caption, hashtag and image selection, then we are going to this section, and यहाँ पे if you will click on publish, then it gets updated in real time. अभी के अभी upload हो जाएगा, but if you want to schedule the post, and then you have to click on this tab and then click on schedule. तो वंस यू क्लिक्ड ऑन द स्केड्यूल बटन, देन आपको यहाँ पे दिख जाता है अबाउट द टाइम एंड डेट यू वांट टू पुट दिस पोस्ट ऑन योर फीड. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द हैशटैग्स दैट वी डिड चेक अर्लियर, उस हिसाब से अगर जाना चाहे तो आई वांट दिस पोस्ट टू गो ऑन फीड ऑन एट अराउंड 6 PM. सो यहाँ पे मैं टाइम दे देता हूँ अबाउट 6 PM एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू स्केड्यूल द पोस्ट. So once it's scheduled, then you are done. Your job is done. Then you can go your work and do whatever you want. But right at 6 PM, you're going to check your Instagram and ये वाला picture upload हो गया होगा. So this is all about maintaining your profile without any fuss, without any burden of spending so much time in Instagram. So this really helps. So this tool is completely free, and that is a really good thing. It's not like those third-party apps and tools जहाँ पे कि आपको pay करना पड़ता है and to take a subscription or to buy that app to just to check the insights. But this tool is completely free. Just like we posted our picture, you can post videos as well for your IGTV. Then the same goes with स्टोरीज भी आप लोग पोस्ट कर सकते हो. सो दिस सेक्शन इज कॉल्ड कैलेंडर. यहाँ पे आपको पता चल जाता है अबाउट योर पास्ट पोस्ट, ऑन विच डे व्हाट यू हैव पोस्टेड, एंड देन यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दोज पोस्ट. सो उसके बाद you'll get to see all the insights about those posts, how many accounts you have reached and how many actions taken from this post. So that's it, and after that you can edit the post as well, but I think we are done here, so we are not going to edit post here. Then comes the insights, जो हम लोग ने check किया था in phone, that you can check here as well. And this is about my insights: 12 website visits, 645 profile visits, and yeah, whatever this accounts reach. These are all graphs that you gonna see. देन मोनेटाइजेशन पे आता है, जो जहाँ पे आपको कोई ब्रांड कोलैबोरेशन हुआ होता है, बट देन एंड या देन यू कैन ऐड मल्टीपल इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट्स एज वेल. यहाँ पे अगर आपका कोई मल्टीपल बिजनेस अकाउंट्स है, बट या यू हैव टू फॉलो द सेम प्रोसीजर्स टू पोस्ट योर images and videos separately. So that's it, guys. This was the video about how to schedule your post in Instagram. I really hope you learned something out of it. So if you really like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much. I'll see you soon.